Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do, but I've got leftover paint, and I think even though it's looking a little congealed, if I grab some paint that I want to use in it, come out. Okay, there's not much in there. Come on. Alright, so I'm out of that red. And that leaves me thinking I might want to use some magenta. And some turquoise. And hope that my color sense that seemed to be a little off earlier is not as obvious as I think it is. I am going to always love my color shifting purple from Folk-Art. There is black enamel in this. I'd like to make this as outlandish as possible. There's a good red-orange right there. And I found a really neat blue, but it's not as neat as the blue that I'm still having a moment with, which is a Modern Masters. Whoops. So I twice primed this canvas yesterday. And I don't really expect to worry about that, but because I'm going to just grab colors. It's a little weird for me using the red and the blue near each other. I don't know why. Maybe because it's a red, white, and blue thing. I think I'm liking those colors better by the moment as I add more, and I am looking for the color shifting. There we go. There it is. Turquoise. Still makes me want some orange. As bad as that sounds. Not sure that's right. Ah, here's the one I wanted. Which is always plugging up on me more than any other bottle. This orange. I don't know why. So I will quick like a bunny attempt to clean my tip out. And add some orange to that. Is that really what I want? I don't know. I really want some iridescent purpley pink too. Anything I want, I guess I can add more of. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this that I have not used for a very long time, which is very similar to that, but not the same. And I have pulled out way too many bottles into my work area. So now I'm going to take my dustpan, and I was going to put some gold on either side of this. I'm really tempted to do that. Let's see how wide this is. So if I go down the middle, let's just do that. Let's make me a guide. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. So I'm going to grab some black. Maybe, nope, I'm going to grab some purple. And it's not going in there. I know the black will. I got it. Yes, that's what I wanted right there. Now, there may still be too much paint in here, but I'm going to grab it with my shovel because it comes out in a nice stripe. I'm going to try and get that to be even. I'm not going to mind if that gold goes anywhere. I'm going to try and get it to traverse the entire length of my area. I'm really inclined to knock all that paint down. That's not the spatula I wanted. I got it. This is a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Look at those little cells happening in there. So I'm thinking that I can probably get some cells. I don't feel like wasting any paint, and I've got paint in my dustpan. So I'm just going to keep knocking it down to the corner until I get all of it to come out, and paint will flow to paint. Now I could use whatever color I want in there, honestly, in those little gaps. Throw both of those things right in there. So that's pretty cool. Let that go over. Let this go over. And let's start playing a little bit. See what we can get for cells. Now if I want to, I can swipe some of this. I could put some enamel down and swipe it, and I'm sorely tempted to do that. I do see that I might have something that wants to come out there. And I do want to let this go over the edge to a bit. Just agitated paint will sell. So we're going to move it around some. I did mention I had twice primed this canvas black. Might just be a really simple procedure. I'm so tempted still to use my black enamel because I've got that gold and I've got a swipe card handy, but I like it. I like it just the way it is. Sans the extra things that don't belong there. So maybe I should just torch. Or maybe I should do another shovelful, because I've got a shovel. And because I can. That's the name of my first book under Show More on the Amazon link. If I like the way it looks, I can certainly go back and add some more paint. But in the meantime, it's still pretty attractive, surprisingly, considering how many colors there are in there. I'm just going to knock that right over the edge. And I want to do the same thing I just did as far as the gold goes. You can see I've got the blue enamel and it makes cells beautifully. So at any given moment I might decide that I want to swipe, but what I really want to do is make sure I don't waste any paint that's still usable. And since it's purpley, I'm going to consider it still usable. Everything else can go somewhere else. I don't need anything else there. I could fill in there. Those are going in the bucket. And I want to blow this around instead of tipping. Now I could still decide that I want something else, but the something else that I want is really kind of a different set of colors. And I'm going to just follow my instincts and grab the orange and the other oranges too, and maybe some red if I can get it out. No, I've got that other red, that'll work. And throw that pink in there like I wanted. That's the purpley pink. I'm not sure. I think that's something that's not made anymore. And I have some, I think it's folk art, it could be Deco-Art, it's another pink enamel. What else? I want some gold in there. I could have a little purple. And my favorite color shifting folk art purple. Now, because I want that to come out like a stripe, I am going to twist it around a little bit. I'm also going to start from, I was going to start from that end, but I'm not sure. I still have this total desire to like use my little swipe card. But I'm liking my waves, so I guess I'm good. I use GAC 800 in all my paints, so if I want to leave it heavy like this, I don't have to worry about it. It will dry fine. I'm going to do the same thing I just did with the straw. And my finger. And maybe a little more gold right in that one spot. This is me using the negative space. I also happen to be a huge fan of stripes. And abstract patterning. And I'm pretty happy with all of that. And I know that I could go on and do all kinds of stuff to this. But even though it's simple, that makes it kind of cool, because if you try this, you will probably succeed, and I recommend that you try it. So, if you guys watch my videos longer, you might help my placement on YouTube. Wait, I see that. I got no paint over that edge. And now I do. Let me see my other edges. You know what I can do? I can use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. All these art supplies, well, not all, but most of these art supplies are available on the Amazon link under Show More, under the video, along with my paint pouring recipe, Instagram and Twitter links. And there's Teespring clothing right under the video, and that's where my designs are for all over print leggings and t-shirts, and a lot of other stuff too. I really want a little gold edge right there, because that's bumming me out. There, I'm better now, I promise. So now I can torch, and I torch to release the bubbles in the paint. And if I want to spread anything else out, I will. If you share my videos, you help me out. If you want to look for tomorrow's video, you can go to Facebook to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where students go. If you're a student, that's a great place to be. If you're interested in seeing what other designs I have produced over time since 2013, find at AmericanPixels.com, both accessible from Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and more. If you would like to see the wet and dry artworks I have edited that came from YouTube videos so far, that would be Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors. I'm getting some really cool cells in here. I probably didn't stretch this as much as I could in the future. I know I have that one little anomalous mark, and I'm not sure that I'm all that pleased. And I think I can integrate it if I just try for a second. Add a little blending, add a little skewer. I don't think it was really that bad. It kind of made a different statement. So, I said I torched to release the bubbles in the paint. I told you about the GAC 800. I have 1,310 videos, probably 1,320 by now, and if you're interested in seeing any playlists, go to my channel and look for created playlists. You will find 13 or 14 genres, and you will find 12 or 13 lists populated by 100 each. So if you want to go through them and binge, you can, and stay organized, which was my plan to begin with. I love you guys. I've got 2 books on that Amazon link. The first one is the first 100 videos, and it's called it's called Because I Can. The second one is called Unlimited Possibilities. And what else have I forgotten? I don't think I've forgotten much of anything. Check your notifications are turned on. Thank you for subscribing. We have 86,000 subscribers. If you'd like to subscribe, please feel free. Thank you guys for all the contributions. And look on the end screens for the exhibition video that will show you what this month's drawing prize winner will be allowed to pick from. And there are 5 paintings, I think, and so the winner will get one of those. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio, and I think that I'm pretty happy with this unusual painting. It's charming me. I don't need to do anything else. I might want to do it again. I might have to prime a whole lot more canvases. I saw that bubble. And do some similar things, but not the same. I love this. Thank you guys for joining me. I love you guys too. I hope to see you soon. Maybe tomorrow. I post 2 videos a day, and you can check that out on my community board on my YouTube channel. Anything you guys want to do as far as shopping goes to help me out, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Priscilla out.